Mani walks 1,000 meter to school every day. The journey takes 40 minutes. What is Mani's walking speed? So this one, we need to think of our DST triangle. Distance, speed, time. We have the distance. Distance here is 1,000. We have the time. Time is 40 minutes. So the speed in terms of meter and minutes. So I'll write properly, sorry. Speed in terms of meter and minutes is just 1,000 meter divided by 40 minutes. So these things cancel out. 100 divided by 4 is 25. So it's 25 meter per minute. This question is a bit harder because the question wants you to express it as kilometer per hour, which means both meter and minute has to change, and we have to do it step by step. So before we do it, you have to understand what speed means. 25 meter per minute actually means that for every 1 minute, Mani can walk 25 meter. So to express it in hour, 1 hour is 60 minutes. So in 60 minutes, Mani can walk what distance? He can walk 60 times 25, right? So we'll just work the working out. The 0 can just put at the end. Just have to work out 25 times 6. So that's 150. So it's 1500. So from 25 meter per minute, it will be converted to 1500 meter per hour. Because 1 hour, she can travel so much more. With more time, you can travel more. With less time, you travel less because you don't have the time to walk so long. Okay, the last unit we need to convert is meter to kilometer. So what's meter to kilometer? Kilometer to meter is 1 kilometer is 1,000 meter, which means that kilometer to meter, you times 1,000. The reverse, you divide by 1,000. And for this question, we are doing the reverse from meter to kilometer. So we want to divide it by 1,000. So to divide it by 1,000, you'll move the decimal point to the left 3 times because there are 3 zeros. So it'll be 1.5 kilometer per hour. So answer is 1.5 kilometer per hour.